Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best dishwasher rinse aid in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid is the perfect rinse agent and drying agent for your dishwasher. It helps remove spots and film for a sparkling shine and fights against water spots for up to 5x longer. This rinse aid keeps your dishes cleaner and prevents build-up on your dishwasher. The 23 fluid ounces bottle is enough to last many dishwashing cycles. This rinse aid also helps reduce drying time and energy costs, saving you money over time. Its easy-to-use formula helps to prevent water spots, cloudy glassware, and streaks on dishes. With Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid, you can trust that your dishes will come out sparkling clean and dry. Pros: helps reduce spots and filming on dishes and glasses. Easy to use and store. Improves drying results. Safe to use on all dishwasher safe items. Cons: can be expensive. May leave streaks on some dishes. May not be effective in hard water areas. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lemi Shine 8.45 ounces Shine Plus Dry Rinse. Lemi Shine 8.45 ounces Shine Plus Dry Rinse is the natural rinse aid you can rely on for spotless, sparkling dishware. Powered by 100% natural citric extracts, it's formulated to tackle the toughest stains and hard water residue for a superior shine. The convenient rinse aid is easy to use. Simply add to your dishwasher's rinse cycle for a natural clean and sparkle. Plus, it's biodegradable and phosphate-free, so you can feel good about using it. With Lemi Shine Shine Plus Dry Rinse, you can enjoy sparkling, spotless dishes without harsh chemicals. Pros: powered by 100% natural citric extracts. Effective in hard water. Leaves dishes spotless and shiny. Easy to use. Cons: requires a separate rinse aid dispenser. Cannot be used for hand washing dishes. Number 3. Our third best pick is OxiClean Triple Action Dishwashing Booster. If you're looking for a way to make your dishwashing easier, look no further than OxiClean Triple Action Dishwashing Booster. This powerful powder is designed to give your dishwashing routine a boost when used in combination with your regular dishwashing detergent. It's made with 3 powerful ingredients that work together to lift away tough dirt and grime, while controlling odors and preventing future residue buildup. With 18.4 ounces per container, you'll have plenty of power to get your dishes sparkling clean. Plus, it's safe to use on dishes, glasses, and silverware, so you can trust it to get the job done. For an extra clean and bright shine, try OxiClean Triple Action Dishwashing Booster today. Pros: cuts through tough grease and grime. Removes stuck on food. Gives dishes a streak-free shine. Safe on the dishwasher. Biodegradable formula. Cons: expensive. May not be suitable for all dishwasher models. Can leave a residue if not used correctly. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Miele Care Collection Rinse Aid. The Miele Care Collection Rinse Aid is designed to help improve the performance of your dishwasher. This rinse aid helps to reduce water spotting, leaving your dishes and glassware sparkling clean. Its powerful formula helps to reduce water hardness, protect glassware from etching, and reduce the need for washing up. This rinse aid is easy to use, simply add it to your dishwasher detergent. The 16.9-ounce bottle is enough for several loads of dishes, making it a great value. With the Miele Care Collection Rinse Aid, you can be sure that your dishes and glassware will come out of the dishwasher looking beautiful and spot-free. Pros: easy to use, prevents spotting and filming on dishes, enhances the performance of the dishwasher. Formulated to be safe for use on all dishwasher-safe materials. Cons: expensive compared to other rinse aids. Can leave a strong scent on dishes. Not as effective on hard water. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Ecover Naturally Derived Rinse Aid for Dishwashers. Ecover's Naturally Derived Rinse Aid is perfect for anyone looking to reduce their environmental footprint, while still getting their dishes sparkling clean. Made from natural, plant-based ingredients and free of any harsh chemicals, this rinse aid is tough on grease and dried on food residue while being gentle on your dishwasher and dishes. It helps to prevent water spots and streaking on glass and plastic, leaving dishes sparkling and streak-free. Ideal for use in hard water, it also helps to soften hard water, thereby reducing the amount of cleaning time and energy needed to get the job done. Plus, with its natural and biodegradable formula, you can be sure that you're doing your part for the environment. Get your dishes sparkling clean with Ecover's Naturally Derived Rinse Aid. Pros: naturally derived ingredients. Safer for the environment. Reduces spotting and filming on dishes. Contains no chlorine or phosphates. Effective at improving drying performance. Cons: higher cost compared to other dishwasher rinse aids. May not be as effective as other rinse aids in hard water areas. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.